but let's start off with steaks, and these probably aren't the kind that you'd expect. Judith Fertig, one half of the BBQ Queens, is here in the kitchen today, and she's going to show us how to make cauliflower paillard with an olive orange Peace stew. Thank you. She's here for the translation, and of course, all of that is cauliflower steaks with an orange olive sauce. So, I mean, this just looks wonderful.
It is. It's so easy to do, and you know, cauliflower is not a vegetable you really think to grill, but it's actually easy to do. So we're going to just take off the leaf.
Okay.
And what you want to do with cauliflower is you're going to cut it into steaks, and you need to cut them thicker than what you think you might need.
Well, you've already gotten started over there.
Got started over there.
This morning, some just straight line cutting.
So, you know, the ends are going to, you're going to have pieces like this, but you can just put those on to grill, and those will be just as delicious.
Oh my gosh. And cauliflower is one of my favorite vegetables. I loved riced and mashed, and I haven't tried this yet, so I'm so excited to learn.
Yeah, it's just, there we go.
Do you think I can try my hand at this?
Yeah, go right ahead.
So we're going to see how much
And you would just put it with a little, little olive oil.
Okay. And how do you know when you're using the right amount of olive oil, right? Because sometimes you can get it and it'll be a little too soggy.
Yeah, it's this won't,
Okay.
and you can take the leaves off later after you've grilled it, but you just put it on there, that's all it is.
Okay, wonderful.
And then with our pea stew, we've got orange segments, and we've got olives, we've got, you can use golden raisins if you want to keep with the color, but I'm using sweetened dried cherries, a little garlic, little chopped garlic.
And this looks amazing. So, you know, some people, they've got that thing of they don't want to put the vegetables and the fruits together.
Yeah.
But this is just going to taste great.
Yeah, it's a Spanish style sauce. Well, Spanish French. So just a little bit of olive oil. And this is all good for you. You've got vitamin C, you've got the healthy fat, you've got all good flavor.
Do you recommend using a flavored olive oil, or do you like the traditional?
I prefer traditional, but there's some really good flavored, blood orange olive oil is one of my favorites. Lemon olive oil, that's delicious.
We've gotten a chance to do the blood orange, and man, that could really like take things next level.
Oh yeah, it's delicious. And then if you want to try a little piece with the orange pea stew, or we can dip into this.
I just had messy hands and just dropped everything. Do you think I can try one of these?
Yeah,
maybe?
let's try one of these.
Okay, here we go. Just gonna try this.
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's amazing what grilling can do to cauliflower.
That really is so good, and it's so fresh. You've got all of your fruits, and then that, I guess it's really, the tastes are coming out from the blend.
Yeah, from the blend, and you know, a little, you go sprinkle a little lemon juice on it if you want, but it's so easy to do, and anymore, there's always somebody vegan that you have to grill for.
Right.
You know, and this is a vegan, it's plant-based, you know, you can
and
have
this. Is way better than barbecuing like a veggie burger or something like that.
Way better than that.
Okay, so let's talk about this. Did you add this on top after you were done grilling?
Yeah, after grilling. So after you grill it, you just plate this up, stir this together, and put it on top, and there you have it. It's so easy, but so delicious.
It is so easy. Now, do you ever use any other blends, like fruits and veggies in there, or do you stick to this?
I pretty much stick to this because it's so good with the cauliflower, but you know, I'm all for experimenting, and if you like black olives instead, you know, that'd be delicious, and it'd be delicious.
And where could we actually get more recipes? I know that you teach some classes, and you of course have a book.
Yeah, The Gardener and the Grill, it's our best-selling book.
Oh, wow.
And so it's got all kinds of great ideas for how to grill vegetables and anything from your garden.
Okay, well, see, if Bill were here, you know, I could just keep on eating this cauliflower, but instead we're gonna have to toss to something else. Thank you so much, Judith, and you're sticking around for another round in the kitchen. That one's going to be grilled chicken.